Welcome back to Installer Guru, where installation is made easy. In this video, we will discuss Bitwarden, a free tool designed to manage all your passwords. In today's world, we deal with numerous passwords for various online accounts, and occasionally, we forget them, hindering our access. Apart from passwords, we also carry different credit cards and debit cards with us for online payment. If we miss out on carrying, we are unable to process the payment. Today, we come up with all the solutions for you. Bitwarden is your ultimate password and credential manager. For individuals, it's free forever, with the option to choose different paid plans if desired. The application is available on various platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac, and it also offers browser extensions for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and more. To start using this software, visit the bitwarden.com website, sign up by entering your email ID, and create a single strong password to protect all your passwords. Once successfully logged in, you'll find various options to manage your credentials in the left-hand menu, including login, favorites, cards, identity, and more. For this demonstration, I'll create a login for my cloud website. In the name, set a friendly name for your site, followed by the username, password, and the site URL. Now, one of my passwords is saved in this software, which I can use for my cloud login. This application allows you to recover your password and check whether your password has been breached on other websites. In the Tools section, you have the option to auto-generate a password based on your settings. In this password manager, you can also save your different credit card and debit card details for any kind of online usage, enabling you to autofill your card details during online transactions. You can use the desktop version of this software by downloading it from the website and installing it on your computer. Log in with your Bitwarden credentials, and you'll see that all your stored passwords are visible in the tool. Bitwarden software is also available as a browser extension. In this demo, we are using it for the Google Chrome browser. To do that, download or add a simple Chrome extension and log in with your Bitwarden credentials. Now, if you go to your saved password URL, you can see that it is showing to autofill your password with a single click, eliminating the need to type your username and password every time. In this tool, you can import or export your old saved passwords anytime with a different file type. If you're worried about what happens if your Bitwarden main credential is misplaced or hacked, don't worry. You can set up MultiFactor Authentication to protect your Bitwarden account from any kind of cyber attack. You can use the Google Authenticator app or Microsoft Authenticator app to set the second factor protection. Just scan the QR code from your Authenticator apps and verify with your code. Remember to save your backup code to any other location. It will help you recover if you accidentally delete your two factors from your mobile device. Not just Authenticator, you can also set up email OTP to enhance your Bitwarden account security. To do that, add your email ID and verify with the OTP. Now, it is turned on for your account. Now, every time I log into my Bitwarden account, it will ask to verify with my TOTP token every time. This tool provides us with more flexibility to store our online passwords on any device, be it desktop, mobile, or browser extensions, making your tasks easier. That's all for now. For more tech videos, you can follow and subscribe to Installer Guru.